एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूर्त आयुनि सैभम गुर प्रसाद चक्र चहन अर बरन जात अर पात नहन जे रूप रंग अर रेख पे को कह न सकत के अचल मूर्ति अनुभव प्रकाश अमतोज कहीजे कोट इंद्रान सहान गनीजे त्रिभुवन महीप सुर नर असुर नेत नेत बनतृण कहत तब सर्व नाम कथे कर्म नाम बनसुबत. After invoking the Almighty God with His attributive nature, we will now come to this prayer for which we are really meeting today. The enlightened souls who work for the uplift of the mankind commit themselves to the social cause and sacrifice their life for the purpose and try to establish the real dharma, which is have commitment towards the God's creation, the creation in which the God Himself lives as a spirit. धर्म चलावन संत उभारन दुष्ट दमन को मूल उपारण यही काज यज्ञ हम जन्मे समझ लियो साधु समन में. This is the type of mission which God has imbibed in us when we take birth and come to this, to spread the righteousness, to uproot the state of repression and injustice, to end the evil of the hatred for persons who are deprived or people who are considered to be the lowest caste or the other faiths as we conceive, and replace with the love for the whole humanity, a family created by the God. To inculcate this self-confidence, to increase people to be humble, not weak by no means, having sword in the hand, still work for the betterment of this one and use for the righteous. Life of self-respect, no egoism, and to serve the society as it is honorable. The concept of Sant Sipahi, the Bhakti and Shakti have to go together, and that's a path which even Bhagavad Gita teaches. One refers to the last sloka of Bhagavad Gita. Let us now pray with this mission in hand how Guru Gobind Singh offered his prayer to achieve this in this world, so that the harmony, the peace, the coexistence of the mankind is not just in dream and aspiration for the mankind, it is the reality and one work for that. Dehi Shiva var moh शुभ कर्मन ते कबू न टरो ए सिखी अपने ही मन को लालच छोड़ तू गुण तो उचरो नाच डरो अरसे जब जाए लड़ो निश्चय करे अपनी जीत करो जब आव की ओद निधान बने अति रण में तब जूझ मरो. What it means is कि O Supreme Lord Almighty One, give me this blessing that I always work for the righteous, and even when I am achieving something in this world by my actions with the prayers offers to you, I should not have ego in my mind. I should say it is your grace, it is you who have been working, I was only the instrument. Na daro arse jab jaye ladu, I should not have any fear when I fight against the evil, whether it is within me or within the society, to put it on the rightest path. And with the confidence, I should win over. And in case I got into lot of difficulties and I'm not able to grant me only one thing, that आती ही रन में तब जूझ मरूं, I should die struggling for the rightest. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।